Hey, you already know it's the Attacks Gym. This is Assistant Coach Phatyl. Right now, I'm about to go check on the tea. Should be boiling, and give you a brief description on how the tea went the first day I drank it and what I felt. Alright, as you can see, the water is boiling here. I'm gonna turn the stove off. You can see it's off, and I'm gonna let that cool down because I like my taste buds before I consume it tonight. Well, how do I feel yesterday? Yesterday, after drinking the tea, like I said, it was a subtle taste, almost like if anyone ever had like a rose water. Rose water is not really strong, but it has a slight flavor to it. That's kind of what the tea tastes like. Very, very subtle, a unique flavor. As far as what I felt was about 20 minutes after I consumed it, this sudden tiredness just came over me, which is not normal for me because I don't really get tired like that. I'm always super energetic, but I believe that's the tea working, because healing properties and your body natural reaction most time when you're trying to heal is you want rest. Think about when you're sick and you have the flu and stuff. You not only does your body heat up to try to fight off viruses and things, but you also want to sleep more than you normally do, because sleeping is your way for your body to heal. And every night when you're sleeping anyway, your body goes to a natural healing process. So I believe they help induce some more sleep, because no matter how clean you eat, we all always got something that can be improved on. Well, anyway, it's getting late here. I'm gonna let my tea cool down. If it's daytime where you at, have a good day. If it's nighttime, hope you have a good night. Anyway, I'm signing out. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe, hit that like if you tried the tea. If you haven't tried the tea, if you're interested, check out all our other pages, our Instagram, as well as, you're right on our YouTube. Anyway, you have a good night. Asante Shana. Ashe.